Hey guys, welcome to roms4you. Let's look at how to install latest MI Blackshark 11 UI on Xiaomi POCOF1. Before getting started, don't forget to subscribe my channel and enable bell icon. To begin with, let's start removing all security measures and Google account which linked with your phone. And power off your phone. Press and hold power button and volume up key until you see boot logo. Once you are in twrp recovery, go to wipe, advanced wipe and select Dalvik system, vendor, data and swipe to wipe. Select install. I have kept my ROM file in SD card downloads folder. You can find the download link from the description. So now navigate into ROM file, select the zip file and swipe to flash. Wait until the recovery finishes flashing. After flashing, make sure that there is no errors noticed. Once that done, select Dalvik wipe and reboot into system. I'm not installing twrp here. So you can see the modified logo of POCOF1. Yes, here it is, the logo of Blackshark. Let me quickly speed up the process. I'll get back to you once ROM finish booting. Here it is, the startup steps. MIUI 12 based Blackshark 11 UI. So let's quickly finish the startup step. Here it is, the Blackshark UI. Let's quickly go to settings, my device. Yes, you can see the MIUI version, MI Blackshark 11. I'll be making a gaming review and performance test of this ROM. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe and enable bell icon. That's all for today. We'll see you with another video. Bye bye and take care.